Morning, YouTubers. I scraped all the grass off the bottom of this mower looking for a drain plug for the oil. Apparently they don't put drain plugs in them anymore. So what you gotta do, I put the one wheel on a brick. Got it like that. Give it a little shake. Get the last drop of oil out of there, then flop it up. Get it to level spot, a reasonably level spot. And what I do, I save this 4-cycle Craftsman oil, because it's about 20 ounces, about what most of your mowers hold. And you can put any kind of oil you want to put in your mower. It's your mower. I put in Walmart synthetic. Lasts longer and starts easier. Now the trick is to get it in there without slopping it all over like I did in the driveway. Where'd my makeshift phone go? Oh, there it is. That's one of those alcohol things to add in the fuel in the winter time. Now the gas already comes with alcohol. I'm not going to dump it all in there. I want to see where it shows on the stick. Got about 6-7 ounces left in the jug there. Dip for the dipstick. You don't want to overfill it. I garbage picked a mower that somebody had way too much oil in, and that's probably what choked it off. Not quite on, down by the first dot. That should be about the right amount. Then I dispose of my oil. I take it to the garage. It works on my car. They burn it for fuel in the wintertime. All right, that's just up on the mark. That took about 16 ounces of oil. We'll call that a success. I gotta clean up this mess and don't get oil on my cell phone. God bless the YouTubers. Enjoy your summer.